and subscribe, please. Also, a little backstory on this song. Gr33n was supposed to sing it, but then he didn't, so now I decided to sing it, so I didn't waste all my hard work on nothing. So, hope you like this song. I guess, I don't know, it's not really fitting my tone, or like my voice, but I don't know. I still tried, so, yep. Hope you enjoy. And, yeah, don't worry. Probably make another song. So, hope you're excited for that. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm not good at marketing or whatever. Anyways, hope you enjoy.
Me and my best friend walking in the jungle, and then at least swaying in the wind makes me feel humble. The monkey climbs up the tree with ease. My name is Gr33s, and sometimes I say #Teen Trees. Nature's so beautiful, oh it's so awesome. Let's work together and save our Earth together, forever and ever and ever. Look at this beach, it's so terrifying to see all these animals dying 'cause of you and me, you and me. So let's save the ocean, and save the seas, and save the trees, forever and ever and ever. Palm trees swaying in the wind makes me feel at ease. The dolphins swimming at the stream makes me feel humble. My name is Gr33s, and sometimes I say #TeamC. Oh, nature's so beautiful, oh it's so awesome. Let's work together and save our Earth together, forever and ever and ever. Save our Earth forever and ever and ever and ever and ever.